Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your gameplay video, audio, and any existing SRT or VTT subtitle file into Premiere Pro. This saves time and preserves timing. Once done, create a sequence that matches your footage frame rate and resolution so captions align perfectly. Make sure captions appear in the Captions panel or project bin and enable the Closed Captions option in sequence settings. This lets you edit text directly without retiming. Now place the subtitle track above your video to begin. Now focus on the middle work, refine timing and wording. Open the Captions or Text panel and click each cue to edit the text and trim start or end points. You can split long captions to match rapid dialogue. Use keyboard nudges and snap to timeline for frame-accurate timing and apply consistent styling, font size, color, stroke, and semi-opaque background to keep text readable over busy HUDs. Once you finish batch edits, scrub the timeline while playing to confirm sync and pacing. Finally, export captions either burned into the video for platforms that don't support sidecar files or as SRT/VTT for uploadable subtitles. Use Media Encoder with your chosen caption export setting and test the output in a local player or platform preview to confirm appearance. If you see sync drift, make sure sequence frame rate matches original footage. You can also scale timing by percentage or shift all cues in the Captions panel to correct offsets. Troubleshooting tip: if cues disappear, relink the caption file and re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.